Welcome guys, so today I am with TCL 306 and I want to show you a few camera tricks. So at the first, when you open the camera for the first time, you will be on the automatic mode, it's the photo mode. And I'm going to show you how we can take photos because we got a few different ways. The first one, that's very obvious, you can just tap on the shutter like that. Also, you can use the volume buttons, volume up and volume down. On the back of your phone you can also find the fingerprint sensor, so when you click on it once, take a look. Okay, it's right here. You will be also able to take photos. And what is interesting that this fingerprint shutter, it's not available on the camera settings. So you are able to change function of the volume buttons, but you cannot block, for example, this fingerprint sensor on the back. Okay, so that's how we can take the photos in a few different ways. Right now I'm going to show you how we can quickly change the brightness level while taking photos. So we can just tap on the screen, and when the sun icon shows, you can just drag it like that to decrease or increase the currently brightness level. To make it automatically, you can just tap on the screen once. Next we can go for the zoom feature, it's right here. So when you click on this preset, you can go for the 1x, 2x and also 4x. You are able to move your finger on the slider, so we can go between 2x and 4x and, for example, stay with the 3x, just like that. You can also use zoom by pressing on the volume buttons, but of course you have to switch the function on the settings, so we have to go like that, pick the volume button function and then switch to the zoom feature. As you can see, that's how it works. Okay, right now I'm going to show you hidden parameters. They are right here. So the first one is the filters. When you click on these three round icons, we got different color and the temperature. Honestly, it not looks impressive, so I'm not sure if it's useful, but maybe you will be able to use it and try how it looks. When you open this menu, you will find also other useful options, like there is the touch shot. So when you touch the screen, you will also able to take photo. So basically that's the another method how to take photos. To turn it off, you have to just unselect. Right here we can also find the camera timer, so we can set the 2, 5 or 8 seconds delay. So when you set the timer and click on the shutter, after this time the photo will be taken. As you can see, it works very good. We can also enable the grid lines. As you can see, this help lines appears on the screen and they help us to take better composition on the photos. I think that right now we can simply go for the settings, because in the settings we can find other options. We can, for example, enable gesture to capture. So right now when you show the palm of your hand, you can take photo, but of course it only works for the front camera, for the selfie camera, and it works on the video and the photo mode. So we can try just to show you your palm like that in the selfie camera, and the photo will be taken. When you click right here on these three horizontal lines, you will be able to open more modes, and where you can find, for example, the Pro mode. And with the Pro mode we can adjust a lot of things manually, like ISO, shutter speed, exposure, compensation, white balance and focus. When you tap on this information icon, you will get a description of a rare feature that you can find right here. Okay, and honestly, that's all for this TCL 306. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.